Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Yes, my people, so we're going to Port Kaiser right now. I think we're pretty close to Guts River. As you can see, the sea way over there. Just look straight ahead of us. The sea is right over there. Just look. On the road to Port Kaiser. We're gonna go to Port Kaiser first and we'll come back to Guts River. It's not very far from there. So let's take a drive with me to Port Kaiser, alright? The road can look a bit bad and stuff. So we are going to Port Kaiser, then come back to Guts River, alright? And the left right here would be Guts River. Okay, you make a left turn if you want to go Guts River, but we're going to Port Kaiser first and come back to Guts River. So you know Port Kaiser, you know, so them do some transport like some bauxite from Jamaica to other countries and stuff like that. Right now, I think it closed down for the time being, so no bauxite not really a go out right now. So things can a bit slow. Also with Alpart also. So we're very close to Port Kaiser. As you can see, Kaiser. As you can see, they have a pier. A lot of fishing take place out on the pier. So no one get some big fish when you come at Port Kaiser. I mean, like, whole heap of pound of fish you can catch at Port Kaiser. But things can be more harder right now to go on the pier because of security can be tight and stuff for it. As you can see, not much vehicle out here today because business kind of bit slow. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes. Yeah, look at the beauty of my paper in Port Kaiser. Look at the beauty in Port Kaiser. Got the hills and the mountains and stuff for it. True Jamaican Vibes, fire raid. Look at the hills up there. Look at the hills, my paper. Jamaica sweet. So we're at Port Kaiser, St. Elizabeth. What a beauty, my people. Also we have the sea. We have the sea. Sorry, so I can't go over Port Kaiser, but I give the closest view as well I can give you know, my people. It's a nice place, you know. More time we do a lot of fishing here, but things can be slow, can't do any more fishing. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a walk to the beach. So I'm in Port Kaiser, same way. Look at the beauty, my people. Look at the beauty. Look at the mountains also. Let's take a good look, my people. Also gonna show you the pier. So right out there. Thank you for watching, my people. True Jamaican vibes. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Fire Read. Peace over and out.